Alright, so I got these 4 little tables done. Very cheap and easy way to do it. Just some 1/2-inch plywood, a few scraps of 3/4, and you got some simple outdoor tables. I would stand on them, show you how strong they are, but the paint's still wet, so I'll do an Instagram post or something on that. But they should be pretty strong, definitely good enough for a plate of food and a drink. But they turned out pretty cool. The reason I painted them is because I had some spray paint and I needed to get rid of it, basically. So that's what I did. I got rid of 4 cans of spray paint. They were about half full, so I got rid of them. We'll see how long it lasts. It's being plywood and being painted. We'll just see how long it lasts. Today is June 26th, 2018. If you happen to be watching this 1 year later, shoot me a message and let me know to do a follow-up on this to see how well they're holding up. So really, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.